Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3751i. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable. Take this part of the cable, go to the back of the printer, connect it to this port, USB port. Take this end of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune. Go to your laptop settings, select printers and scanners, go on the top and select add a device. It will start to search for available printer. So after the refresh is done, you look on the list, you will see Canon TX3700 series. Select on it. It's showing us idle, print test page, window, printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon Print TS3700 series on laptop. It will show you the time, the date, laptop name, printer model, color support yes, port name USB 048, data format RAW, print processor Canon TS3700 series, print processor, environment window 64. So this is the print head. So if you want to add it with Canon Print app, you need to go to Microsoft Store, select Microsoft Store, type Canon Print app, install it on your laptop, click it open. This is Canon Print app. It's getting ready. It's now showing us Canon TS3700 series online. So if you want to print document, select print document, then go to documents or wherever you save the document, type the document, select on the document, select open, then go on the right side, then select orientation, the paper size as A4 orientation portrait, plain paper, duplex printing is none, want to print 1:1 and color, select number of copies, then you select print. So this document is printing. We connected this with a USB cable. So this is the document we printed from the laptop with this printer. We connected this printer and laptop together with a USB cable. And also with USB cable, if you want to scan document, you have option to scan document as well. You can scan document. If you stick the document you want to scan face down, close the scanner. Then from this Canon Print app, you select scan, select A4, resolution 300 dpi, the maximum is 600, so it's currently in 300, then you select scan. This is the document we scanned. You can do this as many as you like. If you want to scan the second page, open up the glass scanner, stick the second page document you want to scan face down, close the scanner, then select next scan, select scan. So these are the documents we scanned. You can save this document to the laptop, select save, then you go to download or documents to save the file, click save, PDF. The file is now saving on the document folder. The file is saved, then you select OK. So if you want to print this document out, you select document print, then you go to documents, type document name or the date the document was scanned, then select open. So the document will be attached to this Canon Print app interface. Then you can select the document. If you select different document, you can go back again to the function, select print document. So go to documents, then you type the date document was scanned, can type the date. So once you type the date, then you select the document. If you don't know the name or how you save the document, you can type the date, and this is the document we scanned. I want us to print this document two-sided. Duplex printing, you select duplex printing, select number of copies, then you select print. So we're going to print this document two-sided. So you take the document, reload it to the rear paper tray, reload the document, then you select black or color to print out the second page. This is the document we scanned and printed it out two-sided manually. We connected this printer and laptop together with a USB cable, hardwired. Thank you very much indeed.